Where are we going?
Ballet and tap class.
So dance class?
Yes.
Have you been before?
No.
Is it your first time?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Here. How was dance class?
Good.
Good. We couldn't record Kaylee or take pictures. It wouldn't allow the parents in the classroom. Can you show me what you did in class?
Like,
You move stuff out of our way.
Oh, here, give me your shoes.
we did the first BB song and we did this.
Stay over here where I
Follow
can
the
see you.
pattern.
You follow patterns?
Yeah. This.
What else?
Tiptoe jump, tiptoe jump,
And? What else?
and
Did you show any positions?
yeah, they did this. Like that, and then so for no. Then they did this.
Oh, okay. With your
What?
feet like this? First position?
That.
No, with your feet like this? Really nice feet. Yeah. Yeah. First position.
That's all, Kelly. Is that all your practice?
What else? What'd you do in tap? Shh, Kirk.
I just like tap, like yeah, like.
Heel toe. Oh. Good.
Ah, good job.
I think the DS is charged.
Okay, tell them bye. Say-
Bye.